Hello, trading is closed on December 1st, 2015, and I'm Jeff Tennant. I didn't really have a call for today other than saying I thought that the strong move higher in overnight futures would stick, which it did. I didn't have any call after that. I did have a MEJT target of 2087.18, which was satisfied Monday, but I think it pays to keep track of these numbers because even after they print, they can still have some relevance as support or resistance levels. During the day, the only real signal was a sell signal in the afternoon. The price target was hit immediately, making it not worth trading. There was some support under the target. The system said that the rally wouldn't stick until prices returned to this pink line on or after this time rather, which they did. So there was support at the appropriate price. And unfortunately, we don't have any unfilled MEJT targets for tomorrow, forcing me to rely on my own devices. Well, we have a breakout over a consolidation, and we're all told to go with the price breakout. That might work, but there are a number of things about this breakout I don't like. First of all, we have a gap within the consolidation in a V pattern. When you spike down like this and you gap up like this gap tends to fill at some time. If we were to gap up at least over this day's high and preferably over the high of the whole consolidation, it wouldn't have to fill, but these have a tendency to fill, although not necessarily immediately. What does have a tendency to resolve immediately is the wall up into the close. These aren't always met by a gap down, but it happens a high percentage of the time. It's significant that we have rallied right up to a strong resistance area. This is the price in August from which the big tank began. It tends to be a resistance level, and we went right to it. It may be just a coincidence that the rally from this low to this high equals the rally from this high to this high. I'm hoping it's not, and that high is going to hold. There isn't anything requiring the incomplete sequential sell signal on the 65-minute chart to go to completion, but I'd be happier if it did. That means we'd have to have 2 more bars of countdown. A lot for me depends on whether or not this high holds. I think it has a good chance of holding. The ideal situation would be a strong move lower at the open, rallying all day, printing 2 more, 12 and 13, 2 more bars of countdown on the 65-minute chart, followed by a decline which probably would have to wait for Thursday. That's the ideal situation. I think it has a good chance of happening, but if this high area does not hold, the call is pretty much dead from the open. We would still get the sequential sell signal at some time during the day in all likelihood, so we're probably close to a reversal in terms of time. I'd be happier if we were close in terms of price as well. And that is today's call.